Welcome to our deep dive into the fascinating world of robotics and artificial intelligence. Today, we're unraveling the intricate mechanics behind how robots learn and think. At the core of this technology lies artificial intelligence, or AI, which enables machines to process information, make decisions, and even adapt to new situations. But how does this all work? AI mimics human cognitive functions through algorithms and data processing, allowing robots to analyze their environment, recognize patterns, and improve their performance over time. This capability is not just a technological marvel, it's a game changer in various fields, from healthcare to manufacturing, and even in our daily lives. As we explore this topic, we'll delve into the different types of learning, like supervised, unsupervised, and reinforcement learning, that empower robots to evolve and enhance their problem-solving skills. So, if you've ever wondered how a robot can navigate a maze or learn to play chess, you're in the right place. Join us as we embark on this educational journey, uncovering the secrets behind robotic intelligence and sparking your curiosity about the future of machines that think and learn. Let's get started. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is a branch of computer science focused on creating systems that can perform tasks typically requiring human intelligence. This includes understanding natural language, recognizing patterns, solving problems, and making decisions. AI can be broadly categorized into several branches, such as machine learning, natural language processing, computer vision, and robotics. Each of these areas contributes uniquely to how machines interpret and interact with the world around them. In today's fast-paced technological landscape, AI plays a pivotal role in transforming industries and enhancing our daily lives. From virtual assistants like Siri and Alexa to advanced data analytics in healthcare, AI is revolutionizing how we work, communicate, and make decisions. Its ability to process vast amounts of data quickly and accurately is invaluable, driving innovation and efficiency across various sectors. When it comes to robotics, AI is the backbone that enhances their capabilities. By integrating AI, robots can learn from their experiences, adapt to new environments, and perform complex tasks with greater autonomy. This synergy between AI and robotics not only improves operational efficiency, but also opens up new possibilities for automation in fields like manufacturing, logistics, and even space exploration. Understanding these foundational concepts of AI is essential as we navigate the future of technology and its impact on society. Robots learn primarily through two key concepts: machine learning and deep learning. Machine learning is a subset of artificial intelligence that enables robots to analyze data, identify patterns, and make predictions without being explicitly programmed for every task. Deep learning, a more advanced form of machine learning, utilizes neural networks to process vast amounts of data, mimicking the way the human brain works. This allows robots to tackle complex problems, such as image and speech recognition, with remarkable accuracy. To improve their performance, robots rely on various types of data, including sensor inputs, visual information, and historical performance metrics. For instance, a robot vacuum uses data from its sensors to map out a room, learning the most efficient cleaning paths over time. Similarly, autonomous vehicles gather data from cameras and radar to navigate safely through traffic. Feedback plays a crucial role in a robot's learning process. When a robot completes a task, it receives feedback, either positive or negative, that helps it adjust its behavior. For example, If a robot fails to pick up an object, it analyzes the error and modifies its approach in future attempts. This continuous cycle of learning from data and experiences enables robots to adapt and improve, making them increasingly capable and efficient in their tasks. At the heart of a robot's ability to process and analyze information are sophisticated algorithms designed to interpret data effectively. These algorithms serve as the rules and procedures that guide robots in making sense of the vast amounts of information they encounter. For instance, decision trees support vector machines, and clustering algorithms help robots categorize and respond to different stimuli in their environment. A significant advancement in information processing comes from neural networks, which are inspired by the human brain's structure. These networks consist of interconnected nodes, or neurons, that work together to recognize patterns and make predictions. By training on large datasets, neural networks can learn to identify complex features, such as distinguishing between different objects or understanding spoken language. This capability is crucial for robots operating in dynamic environments, where quick and accurate interpretation of data is essential. However, robots face several challenges in understanding complex data. Ambiguities in language, variations in visual inputs, and the unpredictability of real-world scenarios can hinder their performance. Additionally, the sheer volume of data can overwhelm processing capabilities, leading to slower response times or errors. Overcoming these challenges is vital for enhancing robotic intelligence and ensuring they can operate effectively in diverse situations. Artificial intelligence is revolutionizing various aspects of our daily lives, with robots playing a pivotal role in industries like healthcare and manufacturing. In healthcare, robotic surgical systems, such as the Da Vinci surgical system, assist surgeons in performing minimally invasive procedures with precision and control. These robots enhance patient outcomes and reduce recovery times. In manufacturing, robots like those used in automotive assembly lines streamline production processes, improving efficiency and reducing human error. The impact of AI on efficiency and productivity is profound. By automating repetitive tasks, robots free up human workers to focus on more complex and creative endeavors. This not only boosts overall productivity, but also enhances job satisfaction, as employees can engage in more meaningful work. For instance, AI-driven inventory management systems optimize stock levels and reduce waste, leading to significant cost savings for businesses. Beyond industry, AI is making waves in entertainment and personal assistance. Virtual assistants like Amazon's Alexa and Google Assistant use AI to understand and respond to user commands, making everyday tasks easier. In entertainment, AI algorithms recommend movies and music tailored to individual preferences, enhancing user experiences. As AI continues to evolve, its applications will undoubtedly expand, further integrating into our lives and reshaping how we interact with technology. As we advance in the realm of artificial intelligence and robotics, it's crucial to address the ethical implications that accompany these technologies. Responsible AI development is paramount to ensure that innovations benefit society while minimizing potential harm. This involves creating guidelines and frameworks that prioritize transparency, fairness, and accountability in AI systems. One of the pressing concerns surrounding AI is privacy. With robots and AI systems collecting vast amounts of personal data, there is a risk of misuse or unauthorized access, raising questions about how our information is protected. Additionally, security issues arise as AI technologies can be vulnerable to hacking, potentially leading to dangerous consequences in critical sectors like healthcare and transportation. Another significant concern is job displacement. As robots become more capable of performing tasks traditionally done by humans, there is a fear that many jobs may become obsolete, leading to economic instability and social unrest. As viewers, it's essential to think critically about the future of AI. Engaging in discussions about ethical considerations can help shape policies that govern AI development, ensuring that technology serves humanity positively. By fostering a responsible approach to AI, we can harness its potential while safeguarding our values and rights. In this video, we've journeyed through the captivating world of how robots learn and think, highlighting the foundational concepts of artificial intelligence and its various branches. We explored the learning processes that enable robots to adapt and improve through data and experiences, emphasizing the significance of machine learning and deep learning. We also discussed the real-world applications of AI, from healthcare innovations to manufacturing efficiencies, showcasing how these technologies are transforming our everyday lives. Understanding how robots process information and the ethical considerations surrounding AI development is crucial as we navigate this rapidly evolving landscape. By grasping these concepts, we can better appreciate the potential and challenges that come with integrating AI into our society. If you found this video insightful, please take a moment to subscribe, like, and share it with others who might be interested in the fascinating intersection of technology and robotics. Your support helps us create more engaging content. We invite you to explore more related videos on our channel where we delve deeper into the exciting advancements in AI and robotics. Together, let's continue to learn and discuss the future of technology and its impact on our world. Thank you for watching.